Today I'm going to make chicken, spinach, and blueberry salad with pomegranate, vinaigrette. And so I'm going to start with the dressing, and I'm going to add some orange zest and some balsamic vinegar, oil, pomegranate juice, onions, red onions, about some pepper, and then just stir it all together.
Hello. In a Ziploc bag, I took some chicken breast that I sliced in half and then cut it all across in 1-inch pieces. Into the bag, I put the raw chicken breast, some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, and some orange and some ground pepper. I put that in the fridge for 30 minutes, and now I'm ready to go ahead and put it in my pan. So I preheated my pan and I added a little bit of veggie oil and I stirred around the veggie oil. Now I'm just going to add the contents of my Ziploc to the pan. You want the chicken to sizzle when it hits the pan, and that's how you know that the pan is hot enough. So mine is set on medium heat, and you don't want it to be too hot because then it can get too black. Every few minutes, I'm just going to turn my chicken to make sure that every side of my chicken gets browned. When the internal temperature of your chicken reaches 165 degrees, that's when you know it's ready.
Okay, so I have in a bowl so much spinach. So I'm going to take some goat cheese. Okay, the goat cheese! There. Now I'm going to add some cucumber, strawberries, some blueberries, and some mint, and some pepper, and the chicken. Now, I'm just gonna add some dressing. The dressing that we made. This dressing. I'm just gonna spoon it on top of there.
Okay, I think this salad looks amazing. I love all these fresh summer ingredients. And that chicken has a beautiful, nice glaze on it. It looks like it's gonna be delicious.
It does.
Look at all the bright colors in that salad. Okay. Grab a little bit of chicken.
Chicken.
Some blueberry and some cucumber and some onions. Let's give it a taste. That is so good. So bright and so fresh. It just makes me feel like it's the middle of summer, which it is. And
That's funny. It is the middle of summer.
yeah, and I'm out enjoying a grilled chicken salad on my porch in the yard under the sun. I love the creaminess of the goat cheese and the freshness of the mint. This is really tasty. I love this recipe. I hope you do too. Bye.